All right, back in the game, baby. Unboxing time. Feeling good, Joey in the building?
I'm feeling fantastic today.
Joey.
My shoulders is moving a little bit. You know what I mean? I'm happy to be here, man.
Joey put the glizzy in his pocket before he left the house this morning, so he walking the streets a little different today.
I did. Watch how you interact with me between here and the truck, ladies and gentlemen. Watch how you interact. I'm holding some things with you.
He holding some things. There's some stuff that he has here that he's been sitting on pause for a minute, even before we did the pink wallabies.
Yes.
Because you said revenge will be mine.
It will be mine today.
Oh man, everything good though?
All is well, man. You know, riding high on some good news, man. You know, today is working out to be a good day, man.
Yeah. That's a good thing. Yeah, you did give me some good news when you got here, and that's a beautiful thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Growth, pause.
Yeah, man.
It's always a good thing. And I see the fly high situation over there.
Yeah. Shout to that guy, man.
My cousin.
Yeah.
Fly High Club.
You got some joints, man. I know the weather's kind of changing. I'm going to have to double back and grab this in another color, which you'll see why I mean later on. You'll see what I'm talking about later on. So hold that large for me, because it's coming. I need that. Pause.
I got that shirt, man. I ain't rocked it yet because I wanted to do something with it, and I haven't been in that zone yet. Yeah. So, you know, it's what do they call it? It's timeless. So there's no bad time for it.
So let's discuss that real quick. Mm-hmm. There's a piece that this gentleman picked up. So just so y'all know, we have these unwritten rules that we unofficially wrote back in 1996.
Yeah, 96, the year.
The year. So that was the year, you know, I was a polo guy. That was my brand. Mm-hmm. This guy had his brand. He had Nautica. Our other friend Donnie was just all over the place.
Still is.
He refused. Yeah, he just refused to hold on to something.
He refused to follow the rules. He
doesn't abide by the rules. He's a lawless human being.
Go ahead, though.
So in that, as you've all noticed, even through all of these episodes, you'll notice that they're brand heavies, even with sneakers. Like, I'm a Nike guy, obviously, because we said it over and over. I got a wide foot, and this guy's the Adidas guy. That's his base.
That's my base.
There are a lot of other things, but his base is always that. You know. So, shout out to Cuzzo, Mr. Fly High over there.
Oh, the shirt. You want to go back to the shirt? That's what you're tying it in.
He had this shirt that was so crazy.
I'll show you guys at some point. At some point. I should unbag it.
I had a pair of sneakers in the crib. The second he posted it, I was like, I need that. Mm-hmm. Reached out. We started to set it up.
But there was one thing about the shirt that was a little bit of a hang-up for you, Mr. Philadelphia, and it's a specific Rochester reference on the shirt.
And I was like, oh, right? Because I don't like to wear other people's city at all, right? So,
yeah, I mean, and you could, and if your man wasn't Rochester.
And that was the thing. My guy is from Rochester. It's his cousin. It's his brand. The shirt was so crazy. But I was still going to cop because that's how dope this article of clothing is. And then I posted something in the comments, hold the size for me. This guy says,
beat up. Cop.
I grabbed that. The shirt comes in other colors. I just can't do it.
And then my cousin was like, yo, tell Joe to hit me up, whatever, about the shirt. I said, oh no, that's dead.
And I couldn't even say anything about it.
There's no reason to send you any information. It's dead. I'll send you his number, but it's not for this.
It's done, man.
Yeah, man. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Let's get the first joint up here.
Let's get the first
No
joints out of the
alcohol today, y'all. No alcohol, man. I'm on my weight loss journey, trying to slim it back down for the summertime. So no booze today, just shoes. classic box. I mean, do we have to set this up here?
We don't. I picked these up when I was picking something up for Morgan. Shout out to Ducky and Yoon again.
These are yours, though.
Yeah, these are mine over at Major. You know, our good people over there.
Here, I can do that.
And
Yeah,
these are
women's joints, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I saw these. These are clean. Very clean colorway here. Yeah. That's all I thought when I saw these. I was like, I wouldn't have been mad if they went with the whole with an ice blue sole. I've looked at these. I've analyzed these online, and these are the thoughts. But I do like the black. I like the black. It's the only black on the entire shoe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you got the that's not a cement.
It's supposed to be safari. That's
Safari, but it's all grayed out.
So the thing about it is they had the safari print, and it's normally like gray and black, and it's on a bunch of other stuff, or like gray and brown and like a tannish and black.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like the first like white tiger situation they got going on.
So I skipped ahead because y'all know I like to start at the sole. You got the black and blue situation on the sole, and the gray on the toe, right? Midsole is a classic Air Max midsole. This is an off-white situation.
Off-white.
And then you had this Safari, which is all gray though. Dope. I like these fits, man. I liked them when I first saw them. The toe box is a bright white.
Yep.
And then the rest of the upper is a off-white, a cream, and then you got the bright white around the ankle.
And here's why I agree with you that while I like the light blue here in the center of it, I really wish they would have gone with the either the light blue all the way through or the ice because of that the little light blue on the
the eyelets there, whatever. Is that what they called? Eyelets?
Yeah. I guess it's whatever.
Yeah, it works. It works. Look, there's nothing bad about this shoe. This is a dope ass Air Max. But I just was like, man, that shit would have been crazy with an ice blue. Because ice blue is kind of like it's a little see-through, like you know what I'm saying? It's not the but yeah, these are tough. Man. This is we don't have to talk too much about these, but these are dope joints.
I do appreciate the mixture of the white and the off-white.
I do too, yo.
That was a pretty dope touch.
It's a great touch.
I didn't realize it was on there, and then the waxed shoestrings. That's a nice little touch too.
Yep. Yeah, I'm glad you said that. I missed that part. I see the light reflecting off of it now. And the tongue is bright white with the off-white tab on it.
And they went with the premium leather here.
Yeah, I see the little wrinkle, you know what I'm saying? Little wears, not that flat leather that they had, like a tongue, like they have on those new Jordan 3s that they putting out. They look fugazi as hell.
Yeah. Those are terrible.
What the hell is this trash? But anyway, shout out to anybody who got them. Hey man, love them. You like them, I love them. Yeah, I think the off-white, bright white was a necessary thing with these.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if you think about a traditional Air Max, you got white in the toe box, gray on the side. You know what I'm saying? So you want a little bit of contrast between the fabrics and shit.
And then you've got like the smoother. It's still distressed, I guess, or whatever you want to call the leather, but it's a smoother version on the off-white than it is on the white.
Yes.
Right, so it still has that little crackle look to it, just a little bit.
That's a great. That's a nice way to describe crackle. A crackle look.
We'll start calling it crackle from now.
It's a crackle look.
Yeah,
and
it's all leather through, so it's not like they've done that on the last couple of pairs, and because they're the women's.
Except this piece is like a nubuck kind of thing or something, right?
But they got that extra cushion in the sole. They always got to take care of the ladies' feet. Thank you for men's sizes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, these joints is tough. It's a great, beautiful springtime into the summer shoe.
And I'm gonna set these off, man, with a lot of great sweatpants.
So much with these.
You know what I mean? Like there's a lot of room.
Yeah, you could rock an all black suit with this.
I will be honest. I think I am going to customize one piece of this. I'd like the Nike stuff in the back to be
black,
light blue.
Oh, the light blue.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna have to reach out to my guy and see if he could touch that up.
We'll have him on the show soon.
Yeah. Justin, holla
Yep.
at me, man. I'm gonna text you a little later, man.
Yep.
I just need you to hit these on the back for me, and he'll be ready for the summer.
I could dig that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could dig that. I mean, it's not gonna hurt. This, you know what I'm saying? It's dope the way it is, but that's not gonna hurt at all. And it's gonna make the joints unique.
Yeah.
Tough. Nice maxes, bro.
Yeah, man.
Nice maxes. I like these shits, yo. I liked them from the first time I saw them shits, too.